time to go on a picnic. Say hello to the future of portable cooling. Powered by FrostFlow cooling technology, the EverFrost 2 cools to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, and the more food that's inside, the faster it cools. I'm so happy to skip the mess of ice. Designed for the outdoors, the 40-liter EverFrost 2 is impact resistant, waterproof, and built to last. With easy tow all-terrain wheels and the reinforced handle, we take it everywhere. The detachable batteries featuring USB-C and USB-A ports charges our devices during lunch. 3 cooling modes for efficiency and 4 ways to recharge. You stay powered anywhere. When we're outside, the Anker 60-watt solar panels are so easy to set up. I can even see my power data in the Anker app. More than a cooler, the EverFrost 2 is our off-grid fridge, portable power station, and adventure companion. At home, I charge my EverFrost 2 with the Anker SOLIX F3800 Plus. With 3,800 watts of battery storage and a 6,000 watt surge, I use the F3800 Plus for everything, from the sauna to my home office. Peace of mind starts with reliable power. The Anker SOLIX F3800 Plus keeps my home running, no matter what.